welcome. Today we'll be unboxing J.K. Rowling's Wizarding World box. This is the November box. There was a delay in shipping for this box and it came in December. Are you wondering what's inside? All wondering what's inside. So let's take a look. Here you can see the sticker. I solemnly swear I am up to no good. Let's take a look inside. What's inside? What's inside? I'll also leave a code if you want to order down below, or not. Alright, what do we have? First thing is, looks like a t-shirt. Let's see what it is. What is it? What is it? This is a LootCrate exclusive, and it glows in the dark. What is it? Oh, it looks like the Whomping Willow. Remember from Prisoner of Azkaban? Yeah, it is the Whomping Willow. Look at that, and it's got a moon behind it. That's pretty cool. Probably a reference to Lupin. What else is here? Let's see. Grimmauld Place. Alright. We all know what that's in reference to. Let's see. It's a collapsible tote bag that folds into a pouch. Grimmauld Place is the place that Harry inherits from Sirius when he dies. Comes with that wonderful house elf creature. Let's look at this bag. It has a picture of the building on it. The bag is made of this lightweight plastic material. It says 12 on it, of course. The pouch is still on the bottom, which makes it awkward. It looks like it's one of those reusable bags. What else is here? Ooh, what's in this box? It says it's a frame of sorts. Let's see. Ooh, it's got bubble wrap on it. Alright, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, I remember this. This is Dumbledore's sister. Oh, and she's 3D, so it looks like she's looking back and forth. Kinda cool. It's got the Hogwarts seal on top. Oh, inside it's got these hooks on it. Looks like you put jewelry on it or something. Not bad. On the back, it has a little hook if you want to hang it or not. Totally up to you. Also, the back, you can take the picture out if you don't want to look at Dumbledore's sister anymore. And put your own picture there. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, I have an idea of what this is. It's a pin. The last box had Slytherin's locket as a pin. So I'm wondering what this one is. Let's find out. What is it? What is it? It's Hufflepuff's cup. You can see the badger on it. It's made of metal. It's pretty well made. So it's another Horcrux. Let's see, what is this? The Blind Pig. It's from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Another LootCrate exclusive. Let's see, what is this? Giggle Water. Oh, is this the bar that they went to in Fantastic Beasts? Well, it's a bunch of coasters. It's made of cardboard. And they're all the same. Let's see, what is this? What is this? This is a pop-out magnet sheet. Let's take it out of the plastic to really get a good look at it. Alright, so you can pop these out and... Oh, Tom Riddle, remember? In Chamber of Secrets, Tom Riddle was like, no, let's rearrange my name and it will spell out, I am Lord Voldemort. definitely worthy to decorate your fridge. What else is here? This is an ad from LootCrate. No, they don't want fruitcake. Nobody really likes fruitcake. And this, of course, lists all the items inside the box. Secrets of the Wizarding World. That's the theme of the box. And it lists all the items within the box. You can see them all listed here. Now you can tell from the inside of the box. It says it's the Marauders map. Just like the last box, you can turn this one inside out. I will say I was a little bit disappointed in this month's box, mostly because of delayed shipping, and then we were expecting something super awesome. I have to say the last box was much more awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe or leave comments. Check out my next video. Subscribe! Subscribe!